They say two heads are better than one. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, you getting my attention like a general. That's why I got your picture all up in my centerfold. That's why I put your lip up high up on a pedestal and threw away the keys to the past life, let it go. Good time, good wine, laughter. See, I don't sweat the past, you are what I'm after. So go ahead and put it all on me, cause I try to get a world away and ask you what you don't see. Yeah, I hope you reconsider. Loving everything about you and it ain't your figure. Feeling good, ma, yeah, I'm feeling better. And I'ma choose to rock with you, whatever weather. You can put it on the car, max it. I don't even sweat the cost nor the taxes. Yeah, we finna travel around the world, so go and grab your map, girl, or better yet an atlas.
Same time next year, I'll be hoping that you're still here, doing a little better than you did this year, baby. Cause you're my good girl, and you deserve everything that is good in life.
Late night calls, yeah, it's conversation. Exchanging of these thoughts, calling motivation. Your bird flew, fly high, aviation. And these mental interactions are just elevation. Yeah, hey, let it sink in, but you gon' miss it every time you get to blinking. Hey baby girl, can you tell me what you thinking? Cause you so money fine, put you on a bill like Franklin. Hey, blacked out Lambo wood grain, got me loving everything about your body frame. Said you looking for a guy that's the same. You could catch me in your rear view, telling in the same lane. Ask for a girl, you can have it. See, I don't care what's on the top shelf, grab it. And I'm prepared to take up off on this runway. Fly by jet, love, call this ish Maverick.
Same time next year, I'll be hoping that you're still here, doing a little better than you did this year, baby. Cause you're my good girl, and you deserve everything that is good in life. Same time next year, I'll be hoping that you're still here, doing a little better than you did this year, baby. Cause you're my good girl, and you deserve everything that is good.